So hey everybody, and welcome to my first toy review. Starting off with the Super Best Double Driver. Now, I'm really excited to get started. So let's just hop right into it. First of all, attention. Pardon that. Nice little light show there. Now we have ventured into Cyclone Joker. And I shall be covering the box at the end of the review. So next, we're going straight. Now also near the end of the review, we will be covering the maximum drives. Just a bit of a warning, this one's kind of a letdown. So anyway, let's get to it. Next, now I will be going through all of the Gaia memories and their release. Nice little sound right there. Also, fantastic Bandai Silver right here. And a nice metallic red. And of course, here's a chamber for the lights. That's one of my favorite. That is one of my favorites right there. And sorry for the poor quality. Next. I'm sorry if this is going to get tedious. That is really nice. Next, remove the Joker memory. And I will be going along showing the maximum drives. Forget what I said earlier. I'm going to go along and do the maximum drives as we go through the review and as we get done with the gold-tipped memories. I'm going to do the silver-tipped ones at the end. So, right. Time to activate our finisher. There's your Joker maximum drive. And you can see I have a nice little memories up. Sadly, I don't have the Fang or Extreme memory, so I can't show you those. Also, you probably can't tell, but, yeah, that's the best I can do. Anyway, next. Metal! Nice little bright white LED. We're going to be starting off with the actual forms, though. So, Cyclone Joker. The actual main forms, the ones that have themes. Heat and Metal. Next, Cyclone Metal. Nice little light show right there. It's very bright on my. It's very bright on this actually. Next, Lunar and Metal. That's actually quite nice. Now, this is awesome right here. Anyway, so that does it for the metal memory. Next, we're going to maximum drive. Little button right here. Can't see it though. See it right there. Nice little memory disengage. Now, I'm going to go over the trigger. Okay, sorry about that. I got cut off. Now, let's go. That is really nice. Cyclone next. That's a really nice aqua. Heat next. And trigger maximum drive. Very loud, very ear piercing. See, told you. It's not that the memory is broken. It's just the maximum drive does not work without the trigger magnum, which I do not have. Like I said, I have the super best double driver. I don't have the regular one. I didn't buy the roleplay toys, so